Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie, and today on my way home from work, I found the cutest thing, and I'm packing it in my Operation Christmas Child shoebox for a boy ages 2 to 4. I'm on my way home. I decided to stop at my local H-E-B, Texas's famous grocery store, for some milk. All I needed was some milk, but of course, as a shoebox packing addict, I have to walk down the clearance aisle, and they're getting rid of summer toys, and they have these goats, and they're $2.10, and I can see that they're pretty big, and I'm like looking at it going, was this gonna fit in a shoebox? I'm like, it would probably fit in a slightly larger shoebox, I'm not sure. And I'm like, what else in it? You know, there's a couple molds and shovel or something and a sail. I'm like, you know, I've got to try. So I bought 2 of them. They had more, and I'm probably going to go back tomorrow and see if they are still there or if somebody else has snagged them up. And then I got home and I was like, do these fit in a standard Operation Christmas Child shoebox, go box? And yes, they do. So I packed this box tonight, and I want to show you what I packed in it. So here is what the boy will see when he opens up his box. I always like to include a stuffy, so this is a little penguin that I got at Christmas clearance. I think he was an ornament. Yeah, he's got a string here, but he's soft and cuddly, and I think he would be a great passenger on this boat. I picked up a coloring book from after Christmas sales, so I got the coloring book in there. I got my note, okay? And then we have the boat. So this is like this, okay? I fit a pencil pack inside the boat. Inside this pencil pack, I've got, what, 5 pencils, some stickers, a toothbrush, a comb, a pair of scissors, some more stickers, some glue, an eraser, and a pencil sharpener. I fit one of those pinky high bounce balls inside the boat. The boat came with a turtle mold, a crab mold, a sifter thing, a rake, and a sail. And then the boat top has a sifter thing on it. So it attaches like that, and the sail goes there, and our penguin can ride on the boat, and there you have it. But that's not all. I was also able to, of course, put some crayons in there for his coloring book. Got a little Hot Wheels car in there. I got some Play-Doh, got a washcloth, a pair of socks, and a multicolored pen. And I am excited that this is going to be, I think, a really cool wow gift for a little boy. And it all fit. So thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, toodles. Now, can I remember how I got it all to fit? Okay, take the top off the boat. Stick in the sail. Stick the sifter and the rake in. Put the molds in. Put the ball in. Okay, pencil pack. This doesn't go this way and fit. It gets too tall, so it has to go this way. Okay, stick my boat inside. On the back side of the boat here, we're going to put our crayons. We're going to fit our coloring book down this side. On this end, we're going to stuff in our washcloth. And we're going to stuff in our pair of socks. Over here, I've got room for the car. Let's just throw that pen in there. There's room for the Play-Doh. And there's room for our penguin and my note. And it all fits for a 2 to 4-year-old boy.